Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn how to find the routing number in Payoneer. If you are trying to receive payments from a company or set up direct deposit, you may be asked for your routing number. This number is part of your banking information and is used to identify the bank or financial institution where your account is held. In Payoneer, this is available through something called the Global Payment Service. So let's walk through the process together. First, you need to sign in to your Payoneer account. Open your browser and go to the Payoneer website. Then enter your email and password to log in. Once you are logged in, you will be on the main dashboard. This is where you can see your account balance and recent activity. From here, you want to go to the menu on the left side of the screen. Click on the option that says Get Paid. When the submenu opens, choose Global Payment Service. This service gives you access to banking details in different currencies. These banking details are provided by Payoneer to help you receive money from companies and clients as if you had a local bank account in those currencies. After you click on Global Payment Service, you will see a list of currencies such as US dollars, euros, British pounds, and more. Each currency will have a section with specific banking information. If you are looking for the routing number, you will need to look under the section for the US dollar. This is because routing numbers are used in the United States banking system. Once you open the US dollar section, you will see a list of details. These include the bank name, bank address, account number, and routing number. The routing number is usually a 9-digit number. This number is used along with your account number to allow direct deposits and transfers to your Payoneer account through US banking systems like ACH. Make sure you copy the routing number exactly as it appears. If someone is going to send you money, or if you are entering this number on a form, it must be correct to avoid any delays. Also, be careful about who you share this information with. Only give your routing and account numbers to trusted sources. It's important to note that not everyone will see the Global Payment Service right away. If you are new to Payoneer or your account has not been fully verified, you may not have access to this feature yet. In that case, you may need to complete your account verification steps or contact Payoneer support for help. They can let you know what you need to do to activate this service. That's how you find your routing number in Payoneer. Just remember to go to the Get Paid section. Open Global Payment Service and then check the US dollar section. There, you'll find your routing number along with other useful banking information. This allows you to accept payments easily from companies and platforms that send money through the US banking system. If you're dealing with routing numbers for business payments, stop doing it manually. I recommend using Melio to automate all your bank transfers and bill payments. It securely stores routing numbers and makes payments a lot easier. Check it out. You can actually try it for free using the link in the description.